Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're breaking down a realistic outlook for where Bitcoin could be heading in 2026. No hype, just a simple roadmap. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so first, where are we right now? We're in what we'd call peak boredom for Bitcoin and crypto. This year, Bitcoin has been choppy and sideways overall, and altcoins have struggled even more. Retail interest is low, search trends are down, and a lot of people have emotionally checked out of the market. A big reason is simple: there's not much new liquidity coming into risk assets, so price action is slow, quiet, and frustrating. Now let's talk about why 2026 matters. Many macro and crypto analysts expect 2026 to be the year financial conditions start easing again. That could mean some form of quantitative easing, or at least a clear move toward lower rates and looser policy, potentially starting around the middle of 2026. The last time we saw strong QE, Bitcoin launched from the low tens of thousands to near $60,000 as liquidity flooded into risk assets. That doesn't guarantee the same type of move, but it shows how powerful fresh capital can be for Bitcoin. At the same time, Bitcoin is still broadly following its 4-year cycle rhythm. We've had a major peak, and now we're in that post-peak cooling off phase. On a chart, that looks like a bear market, but here's how we'd frame it. 2026 is likely to feel more like 2019 than like the brutal crash of 2022. In 2019, the economy was slowing, and sentiment around crypto was depressed. Bitcoin spent months grinding sideways to slightly down, and only later started trending higher as liquidity and QE fed through the system. That quiet stretch turned out to be one of the best times to accumulate. So, where could Bitcoin realistically bottom in a setup like that? Historically, in midterm years and major corrective phases, Bitcoin often tags or comes close to its 200-week moving average. If that pattern repeats, a realistic long-term support area could be somewhere in the mid-$60,000 range, roughly around $65,000 to $70,000 with normal volatility around it. It's not a promise, but it's a grounded range that fits a more mature market with ETFs and institutional players involved. Now, how do we actually use this view of 2026? The way we see it, 2026 is less about chasing every short-term move and more about using the boredom as an opportunity. That means treating 2026 as an accumulation year, not a quick flip year. Make Bitcoin the core of the plan and then add a small basket of high-conviction altcoins with real use cases and strong fundamentals, not random meme coins and illiquid microcaps that might not survive the next cycle. The key is consistency. Bitcoin spends most of its life doing very little, and the big moves, up and down, usually happen in short bursts. If we completely switch off during the quiet phase, we usually miss the moments that matter most. So to wrap this up, here's the simple takeaway for Bitcoin in 2026. Expect a consolidation and accumulation year with low hype but big potential. Easing financial conditions could begin around mid-2026, with the real upside showing up late 2026 into 2027. A realistic support zone sits around that 200-week moving average in the mid-$60,000 region. And the smart move is to stay patient, build positions in Bitcoin and a few strong altcoins, and let time and liquidity do the heavy lifting. What do you think? Will 2026 be the year you quietly accumulate? Or are you expecting one more massive crash first? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell us your personal game plan for Bitcoin going into 2026 and 2027. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.